Hello everybody, on today's video we have this smart wireless meat thermometer. I'm telling you, let's get this thing in the oven and test it out. Alright, and this thing comes with everything you need to get cooking. Comes with a meat thermometer, charging base, USB-C cable, and a manual which is included. Look at this nice looking device. It has an ultra thin probe. You can put this inside your meat and cook with it. Just make sure to pass the probe through the notch. You can also charge with this USB-C base, so the thing charges and can be used wirelessly. All you have to do is download the app, connect, and get cooking. It is that easy. You can get guided cooking instructions, chef-tested presets, and instant alerts right from your phone. Has a 100-hour battery life and is perfect for marathon barbecues or for them weekend camping trips. It's got a 6-point sensor accuracy and monitors meat temperature from core to surface for flawless doneness. Look at me here. Here's the app. You can set preset temp settings and an alarms. Here I'm selecting the beef, and you can change it to whatever temperature you want. It's also IP67 waterproof and dishwasher safe. Here we go. Now we're going to use this thing. So I'm just going to go ahead and place it into my steak all the way into the white notch like so. Make sure it reaches that white notch. Next up, I'm just going to open up the app here, and then I'm just going to go ahead and click on this here, and you can see it shows the temperature of the meat, and I'm going to set an alarm. I'm going to set beef, and we're going to go all the way to the preset medium well. Just press continue just to make sure that it's on the notch, and just like that we are ready to place this thing in a pan, then into the oven like so, and monitor. Look, it's already at 123. We're waiting for 154, and when we get to that, an alarm will go off and letting us know it is done. You can hear it. It's dinner time. Now let's go ahead and test it out. Let's take it out of its pan. We let it rest for a couple minutes as well. After we do that, just go ahead and remove the probe and look at that beautiful, perfectly cooked medium well steak. That is perfect. Get yours now, guys, because you're going to want the smart wireless meat thermometer for the holidays. Thanks for watching.